Hello and welcome. Today we will explore the Laminate acrylic lamination line with PUR glue, a breakthrough technology for modern furniture production. In the past, many factories relied on EVA glue, but PUR overcomes its biggest weakness, which is PUR heat resistance and the risk of peeling. When exposed to moisture with PUR, the glue cures into a super strong bond that is waterproof, heat resistant, and permanently adheres to the surface. Now watch the machine in action. The board is fed into the system. A layer of molten PUR glue is evenly and precisely applied. Then the premium laminate or acrylic sheet is firmly pressed onto the surface. The result is a perfectly finished board, smooth, glossy, and extremely durable. The main difference compared to EVA systems lies in durability. While EVA only provides a basic level of adhesion, PUR delivers much longer product life, especially in kitchens or bathrooms where humidity is high. With this technology, the finished surface achieves maximum aesthetics without edge openings or swelling over time. The Laminate acrylic PUR lamination line helps factories upgrade product quality, creating furniture that meets international standards and easily conquers demanding markets. This is a sustainable competitive advantage that modern furniture manufacturers cannot miss. If you are looking for a lamination solution that is strong, beautiful, and helps enhance your brand reputation, then PUR technology is the right choice. Follow our channel to discover more advanced woodworking technologies and leave your questions in the comments below.